Kumusta ka mo? Ako gali si Reymund. Hello everyone, I'm Reymund and welcome to my channel. Ang aton nga leksyon subong nga adlaw parte sa mga panamyaw sa Hiligaynon. Our topic for today is all about the basic greetings in Hiligaynon. To start with, we have question in Hiligaynon is pamangkot. Pamangkot. We have here a pamangkot or greeting. Kamusta ikaw? Kamusta ikaw? Kamusta ikaw? Kamusta ikaw? We also have mustadon, mustadon. And to answer this, para masabat ini nga pamangkot or panamyaw, to answer this greeting or question, you say, maayo man ako, ikaw. Maayo means good. And then man is to. And then ako is me. And then ikaw, like in Tagalog, is you. Maayo man ako, ikaw. Another way to answer this is you can say, mayad man. Mayad man. Mayad or maayo both means good. So far, I'm good. And then we also have mayad gid. Mayad gid. When we say mayad gid, it's like definitely or super okay. Kamusta ikaw? Maayo man ako? Ikaw? Or kamusta ikaw? Mayad man. Mayad gid. Another way to answer the pamangkot or the greeting kumusta ikaw or kamusta dun, you can also say okay lang. Okay lang. We have the word okay like in English or Tagalog, okay, and then lang. Okay lang. Kumusta dun? Okay lang. Okay lang. And then you can also say buhi paman. Buhi paman. Kamusta ikaw? Buhi paman ah. Like still alive. Buhi is alive. Like paman still alive. Buhi paman. Also, you can say amuman gihapon. Amuman gihapon, or you can instead of gihapon, you can sometimes Japon is also used. Amuman Japon ah. Okay, kamusta ikaw? Okay lang. Okay lang. Kamusta dun? Buhi paman. Buhi paman ah. Or, kumusta ikaw? Amo man gihapon. Or, kumusta ikaw? Amo man Japon ah. Next greeting is maayong aga. Maayong aga. Maayong aga. Aga is morning. And then we have maayo means good. Maayong aga. Also, you can say maayong adlaw. Maayong adlaw. 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 Maayong adlaw. Maayong aga. Maayong adlaw. Maayong aga sa imo Tita Bella. To answer this, or para sabtan ini nga panamyaw, you can say, maayong aga man sa imo. Maayong aga man sa imo. Maayong aga, once again, is good morning. Man is to, sa is to. Man is to like T-O-O. And then sa is to. And then imo is you. Good morning to you too. Maayong aga man sa imo. Or you can also say, maayong adlaw man or maayong aga man. Like I've mentioned, man is to. Okay? Maayong aga. Maayong aga man sa imo. Or you can say, maayong adlaw. Maayong adlaw man sa imo. Yan, maayong aga man sa imo. Maayong adlaw man. Next panamyaw or greeting is maayong udto or maayong ugto. Maayo, as what we've mentioned, is good, and udto is noon, or ugto. It's either udto or ugto, but often udto is used. We also have maayad-ayad nga udto sa imo or maayad-ayad nga ugto sa imo. Ma-ayad, ayad. Ayad is good. Maayad-ayad is very good. And then nga, udto sa imo. Maayad-ayad nga udto sa imo. Para sabtan, ini nga panamyaw, to answer this greeting, you say, maayong udto man sa imo. 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 Or also you can say, maayad-ayad nga udto man sa imo. Maayad-ayad nga udto man sa imo. Ayan, so let's try this. Maayong udto. Maayong udto man. Maayong udto man sa imo. Maayad-ayad nga udto sa imo. Maayad-ayad nga udto sa imo. Para to answer this, you say, maayad-ayad nga udto man sa imo. Yan. Maayad-ayad nga udto man sa imo. Next panamyaw or greeting is maayong hapon. Maayo, once again, is good. And then our connector, NG. And then hapon, like in Tagalog, it's afternoon. So maayong hapon or maayong hapon sa imo. This is good afternoon to you. And then you can also use tanan if it's plural, tanan. It's like everyone. Maayong hapon sa tanan. Maayong hapon sa imo. Yan. To answer this, you say, maayong hapon man, good afternoon. Man is to. Maayong hapon man. Another way is to say, maayong hapon man sa imo. Maayong hapon man sa imo is good afternoon to you too. Maayong hapon. Maayong hapon man. Or maayong hapon sa imo. And you respond with, maayong hapon man sa imo. Next panamyaw or greeting is maayong gab-i. Gab-i is evening. Okay? When we say gab-i, that is evening. Ayan, maayong gab-i. Or maayong gab-i sa imo. Maayong gabi sa imo or maayong gabi, or you can say dira. Yan, dira is there, like everyone there. Maayong gabi dira sa tanan. Ayan. Dira sa tanan, like everyone. Tanan, like I've mentioned earlier, we have the word tanan is everyone. Maayong gabi sa tanan. Ayan, to answer this, you say maayong gabi man, and then take note of the word man. This is su. Maayong gabi man, or maayong gabi man sa imo. Like if someone says, maayong gabi, you respond with, maayong gabi man. And if someone says, maayong gabi sa imo, you respond with, maayong gabi man sa imo. It's good evening to you too. Ayan, maayong gabi. Maayong gabi man. And then next is we have salamat. Like in Tagalog, salamat means thank you. Like gid means parang, it's like to add parang emotion. Like super thank you. Salamat gid. Salamat gid. And then at times you can also hear the word duro and damo. Duro and damo means many. Duro gid nga salamat. Damo gid nga salamat. Ayan. So we have salamat gid or duro gid nga salamat sa bulig mo. Thank you for your help. Bulig is help. Ayan. Damo gid nga salamat sa bulig mo. To answer this, you say, salamat man sa imo, salamat man sa imo, or wala problema ah. Wala problema ah. It's like no problem. Or you can also say wala gid problema. It's like welcome. Wala gid problema or no problem. Salamat gid. Wala gid problema ah. Or wala problema. Or salamat man sa imo. Or if someone says damo gid nga salamat, you can say salamat man or wala problema ah. That's all for today. I hope you learned something new. Damo gid nga salamat for watching this video. Once again, this is Reymund. Thank you very much. Goodbye and take care. Damo gid nga salamat. Paalam kag halong.